Well, I'm here. Finally made it out to my alligator unit. I am fishing or hunting, both really, kind of, in a freshwater portion of the unit. There's some saltwater and some freshwater parts of the unit. I'm just making my way down this canal. It's pretty full of salvinia. It's supposed to clear up though here in a little bit. Just making my way slowly, trying to see if I can see anything out ahead of me. And if I can, then I'll go ahead and set a bait if it's a good gator. Maybe I'll try to get close to it with a harpoon, but we'll see. Just got out here. Gotta get back in about 5 hours to check station for the evening, so I'll get a bait set before then. I'll be back out here in the morning. We'll see what happens. Well, it's hotter than a monkey fart out here. I'm trying to get some cold water in me. I've paddled most of the way down this canal, haven't seen anything at all. If I pass anything I would see. It's pretty shallow. I'll at least see it disrupt the water. So I'm going to continue down this to the end, see what I see. If not, head back the other way from where I came in. I can go down the canal the other direction, so I'll give that a try. It's supposed to be thicker down there with this giant salvinia, I think it is. Stay tuned, we'll see. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to set this bait using a 10-aught hook on 550 paracord. I'm going to tie it to this post right here and then hang it out on a line, on a limb. Now for the secret bait, which is a dead farm duck. I'm not sure what kind of breed it is, but it's from my friend's farm and it got ran over a few weeks back, so I happily took it. I just ripped my glove. That's gonna be great. Let it age for a few days in the sun, froze it and pulled it out yesterday again. It should be very, very ripe. Oh God, that is very ripe. Oh God, that is really, really ripe. Let me hook this thing up and get this hung. Oh God, that smells so terrible. Chum that up a little bit. Oh my God, that smells so bad. And now on this, I'm gonna bury the hook just a little bit. Just a little bit. There we go. All right, see you. I see you. Close this nasty thing up. Gross. All right. Good luck. Coming up to my bait here, and the bait is not hanging anymore. Let me see if I can get a shot on that. I just pulled my kill switch. So my bait's not hanging. Let's get a little closer and find out what's going on. This could be a good sign. Oh, I see a gator right there. Right there. Probably about a 6 or 7 footer. I wonder if it has my hook in its mouth. If I got that one, then I'm not going to be upset. We're going to find out very soon. Oh, there's definitely something pulling back. That's great. That's good, that's good. Oh yeah, got a gator. Now, the trick is gonna be, let's get my gun loaded. Guns loaded, safety's on. No shooting holes in the boat. That would be preferable. Let me find that rope again. If I can do battle out of those reeds, that would be preferable. We have the float on it, so I'm not worried about it getting away. The hook has been set, definitely. Okay, that's stowed. Okay. That's free. He's already heading out to deeper water. That's good. That's what we want. And we're gonna pull ourselves to him, her, whatever it is, however it identifies. And we're gonna be up close and personal with this sucker, right? Holy shit. That's a good one. A little bit better than I thought. Just want to keep it from biting the boat, because that's not good. A bang stick would be amazing. I see color. I see color. Splash, baby. Go ahead and put another shell in just in case. Looks dead. Get some tape out. Tape that mouth closed. Did I put it in here? No. Main compartment. Get these sunglasses off, because they're covered in water right now. Electrical tape. We're gonna suck it up. Tape them up. Once I have a few wraps on this, I'll feel really good. It's always a little dicey in this first few moments, but now we're good. He's not going to be able to open his mouth now. All right. Now, even if he's not dead, he's not going to be able to open his mouth, so we can go ahead and pull him into the boat now. But he's limp noodle. He's a reptile though, so he's going to have reflexes still. Well, maybe even more than reflexes. Yeah, he's actually alive. Well, we're gonna get his ass back in the water. That's dicey as fuck. And we are going to shoot him again with his mouth closed. No doubt about that one. And I am completely soaked. He's definitely gonna be dead this time. I'll let some blood drain and I'll get him back in the boat and we'll head back to the ramp. Alright, dead gator. It's not mandatory here in Texas, but it was a good practice in Florida. We go ahead and sever the brainstem just in case. Nice. 7-footer. Also really important, before I get going here, need to tag this guy. And the way we do that is we put a hole right in between these scoots right here. There we go. We should be able to get her through like so. Actually, I'm gonna turn it around this way. And it's a locking sights tag, and once it's locked you cannot unlock it without cutting it, and it voids it. There you go, legal gator right there. Back to the boat ramp, here we go.